Hi. This is a video how to setting APN RS data SIM Android version. Let's check it out. Step 1. Take your phone, and make sure it's connected to pocket Wi-Fi, then go to Settings, More, Mobile Networks. Tap Access Point Name. And tap plus sign to create a new APN data. Step 2. Fill the information like this video. Then tap the three dots at the top right, and tap Save. Step 3. Select the APN name mashup R that has been created. And done. You can now restart your phone and wait till internet is transmitted to your phone.